Hi, this is Deborah Harris and I'm bringing you a cost of sales or cost of goods sold cash flow tip of the day. And cost of goods sold are the costs in our business that vary up and down with the number of things that we actually sell. And the tip of the day that I have for you is to reduce material storage and transport costs. Now, sometimes we have extra warehouse capacity, so it's not a great big problem for us to have extra materials in storage. But sometimes we're paying a premium for our premises, or we don't have the space to store materials. So sometimes material storage and transport costs can be in direct conflict. Having materials, ordering in bulk, having the materials sitting there when you need them is a great strategy if you have the space and if it's not costing you extra to have them and that you're going to use those materials in fairly short time. However, having those materials there, you've got a cost to store those materials and to make sure those materials are not spoiled and so forth. And many materials will also have transport costs. So, you might pay shipping or handling to get them to your premises. So the more often you have them shipped to your premises, you may actually have more transport costs. You can actually, for some things, reduce the transport cost by finding suppliers that will ship for free, or that won't add extra costs onto smaller deliveries. Or you may be able to actually just slot into a regular delivery route where they actually come past your premises anyway, so they're happy to deliver smaller amounts more frequently. And this may actually give you a great efficiency and reduce your costs for materials that are actually held for a period of time. So be mindful that the longer you store some materials for, particularly if we're talking about products that might go out of date, or in fact equipment that may become obsolete, you run the risk of having to write those items off, which means basically you just have to get rid of them. You're not able to convert them into a product for sale, and therefore they're wasted. So the cash flow tip today is to reduce your material storage and transport costs.